Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Need to add a Zoom link to your Google Calendar event? It's quickly and easy. And in this video, I will show you how to do it. First, head to Google Calendar from these 9 points, click on them, and go into Calendar. Now you can click on Create to make a new event, or click directly on a date and time from here, from this space. Okay, just like that. Then add a title like Zoom meeting. Then go into more option. So here's the thing, guys. Some of you don't have the Zoom icon right here. So what you need to do is to go to a new page, head over to Chrome extension store, click on Chrome Web Store, type Zoom Chrome extension, and then click on install. Okay, once your extension is installed on your browser, head over into extensions and then click on Zoom Chrome extension, into schedule a meeting, continue, and then click on alright, so everything is put up in their places. You automatically have the invite link, and you have the meeting ID, passcode, and everything is up by default. So now what you need to do is just if you'd like to edit some of this stuff, just type something here like hi, hello, I'm Jack, we will have a meeting, etc. Or add some guests, etc. And choose the time and the date if you want to change them. Then click on save. Okay guys, that's the video, and I hope you like that video. I hope it's helpful for you. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like, and thank you so much. Bye bye.